Avery, what would you suggest to a new home buyer about protecting their grout and tile?
You definitely need to do it, because if you don't seal it, you could run the risk of getting mold or mildew. It can stain, you can get water damage, anything like that. So let's say for your shower, you use it every single day. So I would definitely recommend, if you use this product, doing it 3 times a year. Now if you use this one, which this one is about 20 times better, you'll have to do it once every 3 years. It costs a little bit more and it does a little bit less, but it's totally worth it. It makes it totally waterproof. You won't have any chances of mold or mildew and anything like that. Now let's say for your floor in your kitchen or your backsplash, you'd use this one, do this one about once each year, because you don't get it wet all the time. You know, you're still walking on it, but it's not going to get wet, so it's not going to be able to rub off. But if you use this one, you would only have to use this one about once every 5 years.